Another big time-saving trick inside Keynote is as you create more prototypes, you're going to find yourself needing to create your own custom library so that instead of starting from building blocks, you're going to start from screens that you can customize. And here is one of the libraries that I personally use, which is like, for example, a sign-up screen library that I use frequently to do sign-ups and sign in and forget password and so on. And I have different variations of this screen, so I don't have to repeat the same design in most apps, but I can just grab a bunch of screens, drop them into my app, and start from there. And I keep saving these libraries and I keep using them in multiple projects so that I save a lot of time. Second thing is, if you find yourself working with a specific screen resolution, let's say you're working with a new Nexus phone or Nexus tablet, and you want to configure a theme to work with that tablet, so not every time you create a new project you have to start adjusting the screen background, the slide background, the slide resolution, and so on. You can edit all your resolution, all your color, even the master slides, and then you can go to File and save that theme. And that will guarantee that when you start creating a new presentation, this theme will be present in your My Themes tab, so you don't have to recreate that work every time. So here, my iOS starter theme is here. If I go to master slides, you're gonna see that I have a bunch of backgrounds here that are pre-configured, and my document has that custom size of 640 by 1136, which is the iPhone 5 resolution. So I don't have to repeat the process of configuring my presentation every time. I'm just gonna save the theme and start from it the following time.